Here I have Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you have to find shooting methods section. Here. And here you can change like press volume keys too. So you can set it to take picture or record video, zoom in or out, or just control system volume. So let's set it to zoom and try this feature out. So as you can see now with these like volume keys, I can zoom in or zoom out into this flower. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.